We are going Indo-Chinese today. Are you a chicken Manchurian lover but unfortunately can't have it because you are on a diet and you're trying to lose weight? Well, guess what? I'm here to change that for you. Let's go. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another recipe video. Today, I'm going to share with you guys one of my favorite Indo-Chinese recipes, which is chicken Manchurian, right in the comfort of our own kitchen. But this is not any ordinary chicken Manchurian. You know how this works. Taste-wise, zero compromises. It's going to be as good as any other chicken Manchurian you find at the restaurant. But it's lesser in calories and has even more protein, which is perfect if you're on a diet. If you want a simple and effective way to make restaurant quality chicken in your house, which you can have guilt-free without worrying about putting on too much weight, then I am telling you, look no further and follow the recipes like this one on my channel, because they might just change your life and give you a totally different perspective to dieting. Alright, without wasting any more time, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's jump into my kitchen. Let's divide this recipe into two parts. First is frying the chicken. So for that, take 500 grams of boneless, skinless chicken thighs and cut it into small pieces as such. To that, add 1 egg white, 30 grams of maida or all-purpose flour, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of low sodium soy sauce, half to 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and finally some salt for taste. Once it's mixed well, set the marinade aside for at least 60 minutes. After that, it's time to bake these chicken pieces, so feel free to bake them in an oven or an air fryer. I went ahead and coated them with a bit of cooking spray and baked them in an air fryer at 375 degrees for about 16 to 18 minutes. And part 1 of the recipe is ready. Moving on to phase 2, which is making the sauce. So start off by mixing 60 grams of ketchup, 60 grams of green chili sauce, and 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce in a bowl. Then in another bowl, stir 20 grams of corn flour with about 1/4 cup of water and set it aside. Alright, now that we have everything ready, it's time to bring everything together, guys. So in a pan on medium flame, add half tablespoon of oil. I went with olive oil. Along with that, add 2 tablespoons of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the garlic starts to slightly turn brown, we will add 1 medium onion, thinly sliced as such, and continue to saute it until they turn translucent. Then let's add half of a capsicum into the mix and cook for about a minute or 2. You want to make sure the capsicum retains its crunch, so don't saute them for too long. Next, let's add the sauces we prepared into the mix along with about half a cup of water and bring it to a boil, and as you do, go ahead and enjoy that aroma. When the mix begins to bubble, add the chicken pieces and continue to stir to help them absorb all that insane flavor. Feel free to adjust it to the consistency of your liking. I like it a bit thick, and there you go, guys. Feel free to top it off with some fresh coriander or spring onions, and your mouth-watering, delicious, jaw-dropping, can't think of any more adjectives, homemade chicken Manchurian is all set. Give this recipe a try, guys. I promise you, you will love it. And what's even better is the calories and the macros for this recipe. This entire recipe is to be divided into 4 servings, and each serving, wait for it, is just about 250 calories, of which 18 grams are carbs, 7 grams are fat, and 28 grams are protein. And with that, guys, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do try the recipe out. If you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.